So Anya, just before you do make your result, obviously I just want to let you all know what are we going to do this now. Is I'm going to be asking Anya in no particular order who she's taking through, right? Obviously we've got 12 incredible talents here, and she can only take 6, and I think we all know that, you know, this is strong. This is a very strong lineup, all right? As she does call you through, if the 6 that are called, when they call through, could they please come to this side of the stage? When you go to that side, everyone just start moving across so we can see a bit more clear of a pattern of what's going on, all right? Once Anya have made her result then, Kaylee's going to come up and we're going to have a chat with the 6 first who were being awarded this evening, all right? So that's how it's going to work. Are we all ready for this? Right then. You ready, guys? Yeah? Let's get on with this. Right then, so, Anya, in no particular order, who are you taking through to the themed weeks in your final 6?
Right. First one, like Johnny said, I'm going to go over to this side. I'm going to be taken through, pause for dramatic effect, Katie.
Well done, Katie, you're into the themed weeks. Congratulations. Well done. Right, who are you going to be taken through next?
Right. Hang on, let me quickly tick off who I've sent through, so now. The next one I'm going to be sending through is Katie.
Well done, Katie. Congratulations, you're into themed weeks in 2 weeks' time. Woo. Right then, Anya, who is your third person you're taking in with her?
The third person is going to be Kaylee.
Well done, Kaylee, you're into themed weeks. Congratulations. Well done. Right, it's getting tougher now. I think you've got 3 more, yeah?
It's so weird seeing all them lot, like, and I can only choose 3.
Right. Who's your 4th person you're taking in with her?
4th person I'm taking in is drumroll. Ellie.
Well done, Ellie. You're through. It's 15 weeks in 2 weeks' time. Congratulations. Right. Strong lineup up there left. So who's going to be your 5th position?
Right, the 5th one is going to be Rachel.
Well done, Rachel. You're into themed drinks. If you could all come across a little bit so we can see who's left here. Or let's move across a bit. Right, you got 1 more position. You ready for it? Right, who's your final position going into themed weeks with her?
Right, before I announce it, I just want you all to remember exactly what I said. It's never a cut-off, keep going, you're all so talented. But the last person I'm going to be taking into themed weeks is going to be Serena.
Congratulations, Serena. You're into themed weeks. Right then, just before Kaylee does come up and do the awards thing, at this point in the competition, the last 3 weeks, we introduced something called the steals. All right? We didn't use any last week. I didn't use mine last week. We only get 1 steal each, and I really want to use mine tonight because I generally think there's still a lot of talent left there, all right? So I'd like to steal somebody to continue in this competition, but obviously into my category, all right? So the person I really want to steal, because I truly believe, I mean, all of you left deserve to be in this, but I can only pick 1. I can use 1 steal, and I can't let this person go, not at this stage. So the person I'm going to steal that's going to join my category and also go through to the themed weeks is Ruby. Congratulations, Ruby, you're into themed weeks, alright? Kelly's anybody? There is somebody. 100%?
100%.
You sure now? Because you don't get another steal, mind?
That's alright, Joe.
You get 1 steal.
It's fine, I'm completely confident in this person.
Okay, right.
So, this person, I want to steal this person because their work ethic is just incredible. They work really, really hard to try and improve. And the amount of growth I've seen in them, I just believe that they deserve a chance to grow even further in themed weeks. And I would like to welcome this person into my category. And that person is Gabby.
Congratulations, Gabby. You're into themed weeks, but you'll now be into Kelly's category, alright? Right, can we go to the stage here? Right then, guys, so the only person who's got a steal left is Anya, but she can't use it on her own category. So this is how it is. There's 4 people leaving us tonight being awarded. Can I have a massive round of applause for the 4, please? And then we're going to have a quick chat with them. So, all right, do you want to have a chat with them?
I was going to say then, I thought it was 2, but obviously Charlotte. Right, I just want to say to you 3 and to Charlotte as well, because I know she's going to watch this back. You've all been incredible. I mean, seeing the growth in all of you is a bit mad, because obviously I've seen some of you sing before. It's just a bit weird for me. I'm gutted I couldn't take you all, because trust me, if I could, I would. I said, Joey, I went, can I just take them all? He said no. So, unfortunately, people do have to be awarded, and it does have to narrow down to eventually 1. So, yeah, that doesn't take anything away from anyone's talent at all. I want you all to remember that, because some people do leave a bit bitter, and that's really unfortunate, because you're all incredible, and you're all so young as well. You've got so far to go. Like earlier I mentioned the ladder thing. You're all at like the base of the ladder, your journey, and you all just need to keep climbing and climbing. The older you get, the easier it's going to be for you, the more you're going to blossom, so I need you to remember that. I'm proud of you all. Well done.
Kel?
Yeah, just be proud of what you've achieved. That's all I can really say. And every single one of us is always still here at the end of like a message, or however you want to contact us if you ever need us. So this isn't like an end to your journey. It's just the start of your journey. And I hope that everybody on this panel has been here to help you at the start of your journey. And we will continue to be there to help you as long as you need us. But be completely 100% proud of everything that you've achieved, and focus on what you've gained, including new friendships and new opportunities. And I just wish you all the best as you continue on your path. Well done.
I just want to say that, in all due respect, if I was in this category, I would be me myself, all right? Because that's how strong it is, including the people being awarded tonight. This was strong, and you all need to remember that when something is extremely strong and there is a result that's still got to be made, strong people will go. That's just the case. That's how it will. People with the chances to grow and blossom will have to leave. It's a competition, and unfortunately we have to cut it down. I've got to do this all over again next week. I've got to make this decision on my category next week. And I'm thinking, my God, where's it going to go? Where's it going to go? You know, it is just the way it is. We have eventually got to pick 18 people to go into the themes. Well, I guess we got 7 each now, so that would be for 21, wouldn't it? Is it 21? Yeah. So, this is hard, but you should all be really, really proud of yourselves. Know that we're all here for you after this, and that's all. It's as simple as that. Keep doing what you're doing. You're obviously here because you enjoy doing it. Keep at it. This is just another step in growing, and you've got to take that on board and remember it. Don't doubt yourself, because you can all look at each other tonight and say, do you know what? Actually, these singers around me are strong. And then that should allow you to see that actually you must have had some sort of strength to even be there with that. Alright, so just remember that. Alright, so round of applause from all. What we need to do now, I quickly just need to grab the 6 people that's gone through an Anya's category to the side here. So if you could come up for there. Alright, but other than that, a round of applause again for the people awarded tonight, guys.